Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video, let's go and analyze HDFC Bank. In the previous video you have seen, I have analyzed Axis Bank, and yesterday I had shared a lot of videos, almost around 29 stocks I had analyzed, and you can see most of the stocks have been moving in our direction, whatever we had expected. Even the link for that stocks I'll be posting in the description box. You can go and check out all the stocks whichever you want. There are almost around 29 stocks like Dr. Reddy and Berger Paints. They have started moving. Now let's go ahead and analyze HDFC Bank. Why do I feel HDFC Bank is in a good setup? Let me go to weekly chart first. Guys, you can see here I have drawn a horizontal trend line here. Let me zoom this. You'll understand how I've drawn. This is actually in a linear chart. I have taken the high of 13 July 2017. I've tried to attach the highs. You can see a couple of highs I've attached, and you can see for now this has hit the resistance, and you can see the high it has made almost around 1631.65 today's high, and it has hit the resistance. Now what next? Will it really fall down? This is the question most of the people have asked me. Now let me tell you one more thing. You can see here this has also formed a divergence, RSI divergence. Most of the banking stocks I'm seeing this. You can see here prices have been forming higher highs here, and here a very good long term divergence it is. Now what next? Let me go to the day chart first. And I'll show you one more divergence in the daily chart. Recently you might have seen prices had started making higher highs from here, from almost around this point, and here as well. You can see from this certain point the price had been going downwards. Now for now I still feel there are good chances it can head down once it moves above 1631.65. This is a long term resistance trend line what I have drawn. Once it breaks and sustains above that, then there can be quick movement up till 1700 or 1800, but for that it has to sustain above this long term trend line whatever I have drawn here. You can try drawing on your system as well. Use linear chart. Now let me zoom this chart more, and I'll tell you what my setup will be for tomorrow. Okay, now in case tomorrow price starts trading below today's low, this will be a range high and range low whatever I'm using, because it has resisted the trend line. That's the reason I'm using this particular candle as a trading opportunity for tomorrow. In case it starts trading below today's low, day traders can go with a target of 10-15 points, and positional traders can use this targets. Below 1595 we can expect 1581, and next somewhere around 1543, and somewhere around 1511. These are the targets what I'm looking at in case we see RSI and this stock's price moving down. Any movement on the downside, we can expect RSI move down. So from here below 1595.70, that is today's low, we can expect 1581, 1543 and 1511. Though 50 moving average is far, in case it falls a little bit more, then this 50 moving average can act as a very good support. Remember that. Let me tell you why. I'll show you the previous behavior of this chart as well. You can see here whenever it has bounced from 50 moving average, it has given a quick move on the upside. So probably this 50 moving average can provide a good support. You can see here, right, a good movement on the upside. So in case it falls down, in case we are expecting some more momentum on the downside, this 50 moving average will be the last point of contact. After that we'll decide what our movement will be on HDFC Bank. Guys, you can also check out the other stocks what I had shared yesterday. That is valid for entire week. I have added all that in a playlist. I'll share the link in the description box. And in case you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, guys. And hit the bell icon for regular updates. I'll see you again in the next video. In the next video, we'll be analyzing Reliance. Reliance is also at a very good area, a very good support area. Probably there are good chances from there it can head up, or in case in some levels breaks, it can come down. I'll show you that in the next video. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a good day.